This movie is about the politeness theory. The politeness theory has been around since the mid-1980s and was developed by Brown and Levinson. The theory is based on what each individual portrays to the outside world. According to Thomas, it is a set of linguistic theories that relate linguistic action or behavior to social behaviors. Politeness theories attempt to formulate a scientific conceptualization for the common sense notion of politeness. The lay term of politeness refers to the appropriate or acceptable use of language in a given situation. The theory, therefore, revolves around those around us and what we perceive to be the correct way to respond in a given situation. One item that has been taken to heart is that there is a difference between being impolite and underpolite. According to L. Hindwai and Al-Ghazali, underpoliteness refers to the aspects of verbal aggression or other linguistic behaviors that do not necessarily involve the kind of social disharmony or disequilibrium in societal relationships, which are conditions for impolite or rude behaviors. Politeness theory revolves around faces that we demonstrate to the world: positive face and negative face. Each face has a specific reaction by those around them, and particularly for online tutoring. Positive face is defined as the want of every member that his wants be desirable to at least some others. Each individual's positive face wants acceptance and the feeling of belonging. When others employ negative feedback on work that has been accomplished, a positive face is threatened. The idea of everyone having a positive face is critical in the online tutoring process. Even though the tutor and tutee cannot physically be seated next to each other, the tutor tries to save the positive face of the tutee. Even though a tutor tries to not make the tutor feel less competent, the simple act of this threatens the actual session. According to Bremer, Heinrich, and Jukes, a tutor can reduce positive face threats by developing a rapport with the tutee and making sure that they know that they are respected. Negative face, as defined by Brown and Levinson, is the want of every competent adult member that his actions be unimpeded by others. Or in other words, it's an individual's desire to be autonomous and unrestricted in one's actions. Negative face can be threatened simply by the tutor asking what the tutee knows about a topic, or having them complete a specific task without help. According to Bremer, Heinrich, and Jukes, to reduce the chances of invoking a tutee's negative face, a tutor can reduce the risk by minimizing the imposition and granting autonomy to the hearer. In other words, let the tutee pick what they think they need to focus on in each session. When tutors employ the use of negative face in a tutoring session, they are perceived to be more knowledgeable and personable. Finally, a tutor can actually achieve higher tutee learning due to potential increase in motivation, as the tutee learns the required knowledge by being informed of their errors. There are certain strategies to evoke both a positive and negative face. To invoke positive politeness or positive face, a tutor needs to notice the tutee, attend to what he or she is saying, give the tutee approval and sympathy when a task is completed incorrectly. To demonstrate negative politeness or negative face, the tutor should ask questions, be pessimistic, and complete face-threatening acts such as being off task during the session.